Well, a storm system off the coast of California, Oregon, and Washington. It's a very potent system. Already starting to see the rain moving in, snow up in the higher elevations of the Sierras, and eventually that system is going to be impacting our area. First, it starts to move through the Four Corners region, dumping snow up in the higher terrain in the Rockies, and then eventually works its way into the Central Plains states, moving through Albuquerque, just to the north of Wichita, and just to the south of I-80. So we are going to be in that zone where the snow could be moderate to even significant from time to time. So as we take a look at the overall pattern of what this storm is projected to do, winds are also going to be combining with the snow. Now, these are winds that are going to be up at about 5,000 feet, but keep in mind that's going to mix down to the surface. So we could be looking at winds anywhere from 40, 50 miles an hour, and that could produce blizzard conditions. All it has to do is be over 35 miles an hour. That will reduce visibility significantly and obviously raising some serious travel concerns across the area late Monday into Tuesday. Now, as far as the projected snowfall totals, right now the European model is pointing anywhere from around 5 inches to up to about 10 to maybe a foot of snowfall across parts of eastern Nebraska. Now, as we look at what's going on, though, with our European and then going to the GFS, which is the American model, it's showing anywhere from around 5 to up to over a foot of snowfall. Our projected snowfall totals, though, we're continuing with about 8+ inches here just to the south of Jacama. So we're looking from Wahoo to even over the Omaha Metro, Atlantic to Nebraska City, Beatrice. They're looking at close to a foot potentially. So not deviating much from what we've been saying here the last few days.
Yeah, and really good job explaining where that track is coming from. You mentioned the Four Corners and swinging up our way into the plains. And I asked you just before, up front at 4, that track has not changed, you said.
Not at all. Either model. I mean, they've both been very consistent here all week long. And that's what makes us obviously want to watch this very closely, because you don't normally see those models agreeing that many days out.
All right, very good
All
point.
Right.